Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to undo this flash button, and all you need is a screwdriver. So first of all, you're going to give it a wiggle and you're going to press the big button to see if it pops up. If not, then grab the half moon shape on the other side and remove it, and then the big moon you then flick up. You might need a screwdriver to do this, it might be a bit tight and grubby. Pop that up, and then inside you'll see this Phillips screw. Get yourself a screwdriver and then lefty loosey unspin this. Once again, this might be quite tight because it might have limescale around it, and remove this center screw from the flush button. With that removed, you can then lift it up, give it a little wiggle, and out she comes. Put that to one side, and then you can lift the lid off the system to get to all the parts inside the system. I hope this video has helped. Please do like this video and subscribe to the channel. But for now, this has been how to open the toilet system and get to the parts inside, and then to put it back together, you just do it in reverse order as shown in this video. Make sure your pins are at the right height, and then you start with the big moon and you place that on top of the rod and push that down, and then you grab your half moon, and that has a locking pin that goes in that little hole there, as you can see. And you place that in, and you've got to push them down firmly until they click, and that is how you put it all back together like so. Give it a flush, and there you go. That is how you remove the button and put the button back. I hope this video helps. Please do like and subscribe.